Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, the free admin dashboard templates, and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard template in Angular 18 plus, fully responsive and totally free. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the beautiful admin dashboard template. See, beautiful toggle sidebar, the top section, just beautiful. Left sidebar and the right content section, see guys. The beautiful cards, see, stats, just beautiful. See guys. Charts as well, visit orders, analytic report, and sales report, transaction history, and footer section. You know, here the page is like login page, see guys, login, visitor page, and typography, colors, design, other components that I have used, and sample page sequence, sample page as well. So we see the beautiful admin dashboard template. Now I will show you the Angular version as well. 18.5, so latest. And let me show you its responsiveness, guys. See, the template is fully responsive, guys. It will work for all the devices. Now, friends, if you will have any kind of query, CH no requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. My blog, therichpost.com. You will get my contact at advertise page. Via this, you will get my email, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. See, you can get me anytime. I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis. And guys, also, here is my course snippet that I will share. Let me close all the tabs and close. See, guys. Here the file structure. See, inside source, app folder. Here are all the components, themes inside layout and shared and demo, auth pages, default dashboard components, and other as well. Sample page. Have you seen all the things work perfectly? And friends, like I said, if you will have any kind of queries, yes, no requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me anytime. I'm full-time freelancer. And guys, please subscribe my channel and please support me. Here's my GitHub account. Also, please subscribe this as well. So friends, this is it. After it, I will come with more free dashboards. And friends, please stay tuned and please subscribe me and please support me. In the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.